Looking for the best cordless air blowers in 2026? In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 most powerful and budget-friendly electric air blowers for cleaning dust, leaves, snow, cars, and computers. From high-speed turbo fans to 2-in-1 blower and vacuum tools, these products offer strong performance, portable design, and great value for the price. Watch till the end to find the perfect air blower for your home, garage, or outdoor cleaning needs. Item number 5. The YOFIDRA 28,000 RPM electric air blower is a powerful cordless cleaning tool designed for both home and outdoor use. With a high-speed brushless motor reaching up to 28,000 RPM and airflow up to 576 kilometers per hour, it easily removes dust, fallen leaves, snow, and dirt in seconds. The lightweight wireless design makes it portable and convenient for cleaning cars, keyboards, garages, gardens, and camping areas. Its durable carbon fiber shell adds extra strength and long-lasting performance. Equipped with a large battery that provides up to 50 minutes of runtime, this blower is the perfect combination of power, speed, and convenience for everyday cleaning tasks. Item number 4. The Haywind Powerful Turbo Air Blower is a high-performance cordless cleaning tool built for speed, power, and convenience. Equipped with a powerful 1,000-watt motor, it delivers wind speeds up to 100 meters per second and an incredible 50,000 RPM for fast and efficient cleaning. Its 550-gram thrust easily removes dust, leaves, sand, snow, and debris from cars, garages, gardens, and outdoor spaces. The lightweight cordless design makes it portable and easy to use anywhere. Built with durable heat-resistant materials and an ergonomic grip, this blower is designed for long-lasting comfort and performance. It also includes a 21V lithium battery, charger, and storage box for complete convenience. Item number 3. The NEWBENY double-sided air intake electric blower is a powerful cordless cleaning tool designed for home and outdoor use. Featuring a high-performance copper motor and wind speeds up to 350 kilometers per hour, it easily removes leaves, dust, snow, and debris in seconds. Its unique 270-degree rotatable handle provides flexible and comfortable operation for hard-to-reach areas. The blower comes with 3 different nozzles, making it perfect for cleaning computers, carpets, furniture, garages, gardens, and car interiors. The wireless design adds portability and convenience, while the ergonomic non-slip handle ensures comfortable long-term use. Compatible with Makita-style 18-volt batteries, it's a versatile and reliable cleaning solution. Item number 2. The Patuo Pro 19,000 RPM cordless leaf blower is a lightweight yet powerful cleaning tool designed for home and outdoor use. Powered by an 18V Makita-style battery, it delivers speeds up to 19,000 RPM and strong airflow for removing dust, leaves, dirt, and even light snow with ease. Its adjustable nozzle design provides comfortable use for all users, while the ergonomic one-handed grip makes cleaning simple and efficient. Weighing only 1.2 kilograms, this cordless blower is portable, quiet, and easy to carry anywhere. Perfect for garages, backyards, computers, and hard-to-reach spaces. It's a versatile tool for quick and hassle-free cleaning every day. Item number 1. The Cordless Electric Air Blower 2-in-1 is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for both blowing and vacuuming. Powered by a high-performance copper motor, it delivers strong airflow up to 18,000 RPM, making it perfect for cleaning dust, leaves, hair, and debris from homes, garages, computers, carpets, and furniture. Its cordless design provides maximum portability and convenience, while the lightweight body and ergonomic non-slip handle ensure comfortable long-term use. The blower includes a blowpipe and dust bag for easy operation. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, this compact cleaner is ideal for quick, efficient, and hassle-free cleaning both indoors and outdoors every day. Which of these best leaf blowers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us.